Now stand for national song. Let's all together sing our national song. Let's share to show love and respect to our nation. Respect Venkata Shivasaya of 4th standard to lead us to the pledge. India. Now stand for ISKCON design activities. Hindi poem activity by 3rd standard girls. सबको प्रणाम, मेरा नाम निशात है। सबको प्रणाम, मेरा नाम मेहर है। आज हम हिंदी कविता बोलेंगे। यह एक घर है, दिस इज ए हाउस। यह एक बाग है, दिस इज ए गार्डन। यह तुम्हारा बस्ता है, दिस इज ए योर बैग। यह गाय है, दिस इज ए गौ। वह तोता है, दैट इज ए पैरट। वह वृक्ष है, दैट इज ए टेम्पल। दैट इज ए ट्री। वह Thank you for धन्यवाद। Congratulations activity by 3rd standard girl. Good morning to all. My name is Anisha. I am studying 3rd standard in Vision English Medium School. Good morning to all. My name is Purna Sindhu. I am studying 3rd standard in Vision English Medium School. Today activity by conversation. Good morning, my dear friend. Very good morning, my dear friend. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak English. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is pink. What is your hobby? My hobby is playing games. What is your aim? My aim is doctor. What is your favorite food item? My favorite food item is puri. Okay, bye, my dear friend. Bye, take care. Thank you for this golden opportunity. Have a colorful Wednesday. Activity by 3rd standard girls. Hi, good morning to all. Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Deep Rema. I study in 3rd standard in Vision English Medium School. Today activity is Telugu poem. Hi, good morning to all. My name is Tirani. I am studying 3rd standard in Vision English Medium School. అనగానగా రాగమతి చెయ్యండు తినక వేము తీయనుండు సాగముగా పనులు సమకూర ధరలోన విశ్వదాభిరామ ఉండ్రవేమ. ఓ వేమ పాడుగా రాగ అభివృద్ధి చెందుతుంది. తినగా వేపాకు కూడా తినడానికి తీయగా ఉంటుంది. అలాగే బాగా సాధన చేస్తే ఎంతటి కష్టమైన పనినైనా తేలికగా చేయవచ్చు. థ్యాంక్ యూ, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. Activity by 5th standard girls. सबको प्रणाम, मेरा नाम सत्या है। मेरे नाम हर्षिता है। मेरे नाम विशालाक्षी है। हम 5वीं कक्षा विजन अंग्रेज विद्यालय में पढ़ती हूँ। आज हम हिंदी वाक्य को अंग्रेज और तेलुगु में अनुवाद करेंगे। बुरा मत मानो, डोंट माइंड, ఏమీ అనుకోకు. घबराओ मत. Don't panic. भयपड़को. मुझे इसकी जरूरत है. I need it. నాకు ఇది అవసరం. मुझे इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. I don't need it. నాకు ఇది అవసరం లేదు. मैं वहां गई थी. I went there. నేను అక్కడికి వెళ్తాను. ధన్యవాద్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ధన్యవాదములు. స్టాండర్డ్ గర్ల్. Hi, good morning everyone. I would like to introduce myself. I am studying third standard in Vision English Medium School. I am from Yadiki. My father's name is Venkataya. He is a Meera. My mother's name is Jayalakshmi. She is a sweet homemaker. My favorite color is red. My favorite food item is dosa. My ambition is to become a teacher. My favorite place is Hyderabad. Thank you, all of you. Today some of our friends celebrating their birthdays. Birthday buddies, please come on to the stage.
Monica of 3rd standard and Adikeswa of 5th standard. They are going to celebrate their birthdays. Let us all together wish them. I request 5th standard class teacher to present the birthday bouquet in the birthday boy. Many more happiness of the day and may God bless you.
Today teachers note by Sharma. Good morning, students. Good morning, teacher. How are you? We are fine, teacher. What about you, teacher? I am also fine. Today, small quotation. A good book can change your life. ఒక మంచి పుస్తకం జీవితాన్ని మార్చగలదు. Thank you, all of you.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. How are you? We are fine, sir. I'm also fine. Have you had your breakfast?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you all energetic?
Yes, sir.
All questions, one answer. Yes, sir. Try to give answer with sentence. Okay. Not only with yes or no. Okay. Sometimes yes or no. But maximum try to use sentences. Right. So what ma'am said now. One book can change your life. Right. So what is that book? Not only your subject books. Any book, whatever you have interest in that. If you want to read stories, you can buy one story book, or if you are unable to buy, here library is available. You can lend one book from library and you can read biographies of national personalities, freedom fighters. You can read that one, or else religious books are there. So personality development books, many other books are available in the market. So at least you are buying chips packets and wasting money for unhealthy food, right? So avoid it. and save the money. Whenever you go to town, you buy one good book with that money. With your pocket money, you can buy one good book and read that book, complete that book, read twice, thrice, no problem. You can read. Your reading skills you can develop, and some more knowledge you can get from that book. So already, along with learning the, subjects, classroom subjects, if you want to learn some more things, definitely you can read books. So book reading is the very good hobby. So I asked you many times, what are your hobbies? Maximum students they told me that watching movies, playing games, but only few students they said reading books. So book reading is very good. It gives pleasure also while reading. You can enjoy reading. So once you can try. So whenever you go town, buy one story book. If you buy English story book, both you can develop English language skills also, along with enhancing your knowledge. Okay. So, and one more thing I want to tell you, while performing activities, some of the students they are hiding their hand. This is called hiding, right? So you should not hide your hands while speaking in front of public. Don't hide your hands. Okay, you can use, you can move your hand. That is the best way to communicate with others. Move your hand. So observe any teacher in your class while teaching lesson. Definitely they use hand movements. So observe hand movements, naturally it will come by practice. So teachers are the best examples for good communicators, right? So observe your teacher and learn eye contact and his hand movements. So you can observe your teacher. Teacher can observe every student in classroom. While teaching lesson, teacher can observe everyone. So eye contact, because of eye contact, right? Next, hand movements. These two you have to follow. If you want to speak anything in front of audience, you should not bend your head. If you speak, if you bend your head while speaking, then nobody wants to listen to you, because you are not showing interest to speak to you. How can they show interest to listen, right? So while performing activities, watch everyone. So maintain eye contact. Next, use hand movements. Don't hide your hands. Don't play with your dress while speaking. Okay. So by practice, you can avoid it. Practice many times before performing any activity on stage. Practice twice, thrice. You can practice, then it will be very easy to you. Okay. And one more thing, I gave you one task. Fruits, about fruits, right? Fruits names. So how many of you finished yesterday? I asked you. Many hands raised. Can anyone come here and tell from 4th standard A or B sections? Anyone from 4th standard? Anyone from 4th standard can come here and tell names of the fruits. At least 20 or 25 fruits names I want to know from you. Anyone from 4th standard? Yesterday I asked you one question. How many of you finished the task? So almost all the students they raised their hands. So now I am asking you to tell the same thing. I told you clearly, task, when I give task, not only writing, you must remember, you must learn that one. So I gave you another task also. Is she ready, ma'am? Come here, ma'am. And students are there. So first of all, for them you should give a huge round of applause. Without any fear, with confidence, they came to tell something on stage, right?
Hi, good morning to one and all. My name is Varsha. I am studying first class in our school. Hi, good morning to one and all. My name is Tawasum. I am studying first standard in Vision English Medium School. Today activity fruits. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Mango, M-A-N-G-O, mango. Banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. Guava, G-U-A-V-A, guava. Watermelon, W-A-T-R, water. M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Pineapple. PAWI kiwi. Papaya. PAPAYA papaya.
Thank you.
Thank you all of you.
So, my dear students, as per they are first standard students, as per their level, they tried and they said very well. So, third, fourth, fifth standard students are there here. They are not coming onto the stage. Again, tomorrow I will ask you, or else I don't give any task to you. Okay? So, you must finish the task. I have given 1 week time, and many students they have written in their books, but they are not coming forward. Tomorrow I will ask you again. Be ready. Any class, third, fourth, fifth, or else first, second students are ready to tell here. They are ready. So you must be ready. Okay. And one more thing. What is the ST today?
English.
Okay. Fifth standard. What is the ST today for you? Telugu. Okay. Fifth standard, roll number 15. Come up onto the stage. Roll number 15. Nitisha, today you are going to write the Telugu ST, right? What did you learn for Telugu ST? You can tell.
Let me introduce myself. I am Nitisha of 5th standard.
Question and answer.
పెన్న ఒకప్పుడు నీటి హోరుతో గలగల పారుతూ ఉండేది, కమ్మని నీరు ఊరుతూ దాహం తీర్చేది. ఇప్పుడు ఆ వైభవం ఏమైపోయింది అంటూ కవి పెన్న పూర్వ వైభవం గురించి ప్రశ్నించాడు. పెన్నా నీళ్లు కమ్మదనం ఊరుతూ ఉంటుంది. పెన్నా నీళ్లు కమ్మదనం ఊరుతూ ఉంటుంది. దోసెడు నీళ్లు తాగినా చాలు జన్మ ధన్యమవుతుంది, పాపాలన్నీ తొలగిపోతాయి. పెన్నా నీళ్లు ఎందరికో దాహం తీరుస్తాయి. నదులలో నీళ్లు లేకపోతే పంటలు పండించలేము, తినడానికి తిండి ఉండదు, తాగడానికి నీళ్లు ఉండవు, ఇతర అవసరాలు కూడా తీరవు. భూమిలో పగుళ్ళు ఏర్పడతాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ.
Very good, Nitisha. So every day I will ask some students and I will call on the stage. You must tell about what did you learn up to date. Okay? That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.
All of you